What if I told you we built a machine that can look back 13 billion years in time, and it actually works? You are looking at light that left its source before the Earth even existed, and this is just the beginning. For 30 years, humanity dreamed of a telescope that could pierce through cosmic dust, cut through time, and show us the universe as it looked just 200 million years after the Big Bang. Scientists called it impossible. Engineers said it would never hold together in the brutal cold of space. And yet, on December 25, 2021, a rocket carrying the most expensive, most complex scientific instrument in human history launched from the coast of South America. The James Webb Space Telescope is not just another telescope. Hubble showed us stunning images. Webb was designed to see what Hubble literally cannot. It operates in infrared light, the kind invisible to human eyes, which means it can see through dust clouds where stars are being born, detect the atmospheres of planets orbiting distant suns, and capture the faint glow of the very first galaxies that switched on when the universe was just a newborn. Its mirror is made of 18 hexagonal gold-coated beryllium segments, each one polished to a precision 1/5000th the width of a human hair. When you combine all 18 panels, they create a collecting surface over 6 times the area of Hubble's mirror, 6 times more light, 6 times deeper into the universe. And unlike Hubble, which orbits Earth at just 340 miles up, Webb was sent to a place called the second Lagrange point, L2, 1.5 million kilometers away, so far that if something goes wrong, no astronaut can ever reach it to fix it. Here is the fact that will break your brain. In July 2022, NASA released Webb's first deep field image. It is a photograph of a tiny patch of sky, so small that if you held a grain of sand at arm's length, that grain of sand would cover this entire field of view. Inside that single grain of sand-sized patch of sky, there are thousands of galaxies, each one containing hundreds of billions of stars, each star potentially surrounded by its own solar system. But the twist does not stop there. Some of those galaxies in Webb's images are so old, so far away, that their light has been traveling toward us for 13.1 billion years. You are not looking at what those galaxies look like now. You are looking at what they looked like when the universe was barely a child. Those galaxies may not even exist anymore. And Webb has already shattered what we thought we knew. In its very first year of operation, it detected galaxies that were too large, too bright, too mature, forming too early after the Big Bang. Cosmologists who have spent their entire careers modeling how the universe works have admitted that Webb is showing us something their models cannot explain. The universe, it turns out, may be far stranger and far more complex than we ever imagined. The engineering behind Webb is almost as astonishing as the science. To detect infrared light from objects billions of light years away, the telescope itself must be colder than the temperature of outer space. Its 5-layer sun shield, the size of a tennis court, blocks the heat of the sun so effectively that the side facing away stays at minus 233 degrees Celsius. That's just 40 degrees above absolute zero, the coldest temperature theoretically possible in the universe. The deployment sequence after launch was considered the most complex unfolding in the history of spacecraft engineering. Over 14 days, Webb had to execute 344 individual single point of failure deployments, meaning any single one of those steps failing would have ended the mission entirely, with no possibility of repair. When the final mirror panel locked into place, scientists in the control room in Baltimore wept. And now, from its position 1.5 million kilometers away, Webb sends back image after image that rewrites what we know. It has photographed the atmospheric composition of an exoplanet, detecting water vapor and carbon dioxide, laying the groundwork for one day identifying the chemical fingerprints of life itself. It has imaged the death of stars, captured the pillars of creation in infrared, revealing the glowing star-forming furnaces burning inside them. Baby stars caught in the act of being born. We've been staring at the night sky for thousands of years, through naked eyes, through Galileo's glass, through the Hubble mirror, and every single time we built a better eye, the universe surprised us. It showed us things we did not expect. It humbled us. It made the cosmos larger and stranger than before. James Webb is humanity's sharpest eye yet, and it has already told us something terrifying and beautiful at the same time, that the universe we thought we understood, we barely knew at all. So here's the question I want you to think about and drop in the comments below. If Webb one day captures the unmistakable chemical signature of life on another planet, what do you think happens next? Does the world come together or does it fall apart? If this blew your mind, smash the like button right now and subscribe to the channel because we cover the most mind-bending science and space stories regularly, and you do not want to miss what's coming next.